Part B in Activity 1.9 asks us to find the average rate of change between 2030 and 2050 for our function which models the population as a function of time, where t is measured in decades after the year 2010. So 2020 would be 1 decade, 2030 would be 2 decades after 2010, and 2050 will be 4 decades after 2010. So to calculate the average rate of change, we're going to look at P of 4 minus P of 2 over 4 minus 2. So employing our function, we have 25,000 e to the 4 over 5 minus 25,000 e to the 2 over 5 all over 2. So let's see what we get, and we're going to put this in the calculator, and we can put it in all at once. The calculator has the ability to do this. So we need to separate the numerator and denominator in a set of parentheses. 25,000 second e raised to the, and now I'm going to put in 4 divided by 5. So there's my first input. Now minus 25, 1, 2, 3, 25,000. Second e to the 2 divided by 5. Close that from my numerator. That all gets divided by 2. I hit enter, and I get an average rate of change of 9,171. Now we're going to round that off to the nearest whole number. Now you might be thinking, well, why did we decide to do that? Well, next thing we're going to be asked about is basically our units, so we can describe what we found. Well, remember, this top line was in population, measured in people. This bottom line was the number of years. So this is, the units on this are people per year. So what we could say is between the years of 2030 and 2050, on average, the population was increasing by about 9,171 people per year.